Hello, my name is Rodolfo Miranda from Roots ID. This is a close report for the project Hyperledger-Prism Interoperability on the challenge Decentralized Identity on Fund 7 with a budget of $30,000 and a duration of 3 months. You can find the link of the open source code here. The team is composed by Landsberg, who found a new friend on past week on Consensus, Esteban Garcia, Bats Clar, and myself. I'd like to show you a quick view of what we are doing in Roots ID. We develop open source building blocks for the self-sovereign ecosystem in Cardano. Some of the projects we already delivered are the Site3 Cardano, this one, that is a well-known open source DID solution similar to Prism. The Wall CLI, that is a backend agent that uses Prism SDK. Roots Wallet, that is a mobile agent currently in alpha version. In Fund 8, we are also working in a universal resolver and on a mediator that will provide interoperability with the rest of the world. In the same interop spirit, we have also delivered a catalog with a curated list of credential schemas for several use cases like the health, education, and finance. We keep collaborating with several standardization bodies that are driving worldwide adoption of the SSI solution. Finally, we engage with many partners that will use our components to provide real and great use cases based on Prism. Today, we're going to focus on the ACAPI component. So what is AES? Here is a screenshot from the webpage. It's a project from the Linux Foundation. Of course, it's open source. There's a branch called Hyperledger that focuses on blockchain technology. And from there is a AES that is defined as a library that provides a toolkit for creating, transmitting, and storing verifiable credentials. It's a mature project, well adopted with plenty of features. So why we are doing this project? Why is it important? Right now, we only have two components, Cardano and Prism. If you want to build something, you need to add more. As shown before, in Roots ID, we are developing the rest of the components, but that takes time. And ACAPI is already there. It's a proven solution, well tested and adopted, with all the features to connect with other agents, interact, issue and share credentials, present and verify everything. It was clear for us that if we integrate ACAPI with Prism, we'll have a full solution ready to build projects on top. And that's what we did. We add the crypto module needed for Prism and Cardano signatures and integrate WallCli into it. So now we can create controllers that use the full set of SSI features in Atala Prism. Finally, I'm going to show you a demo that is going to be really similar to what I shown on Fund 6 project. So in one side, we're going to have Alice, and the other side is going to be school. We're going to create a DID. They're going to invite and connect each other. And Alice is going to request a credential. And the school is going to issue a credential that Alice can validate and verify all the proofs. On the left panel, we're going to run Alice agent. On the right panel, we're going to run the school agent. Once they are up, we're going to create DID on both sides with that command. So the DID is created using the Wall-E that communicates with the Atala Prism node, and this node talks to the blockchain to store the DID. We're waiting here for the confirmation of the blockchain. That's on the testnet, and in a few seconds we're going to see the confirmation. Here it is. Also, you can see on the Explorer this transaction. Now the agents need to talk to each other. So Alice is going to create an invitation. This invitation can be shared in an email, in a QR code, or in this case, going to be like copy-paste only, simply copy-paste. Once they are talking each other, the school can send a message telling what is the DID he created on Prism. And with that DID, Alice is gonna request a credential. It's gonna be a certificate. She sent the credential to the school verified and issue a real credential with a signature that Alice received. Here you're gonna see that received and verify all the proof that is a real and accurate credential. She also stored that on the wallet, and we can see here that is on the wallet with all the proofs that is a validated credential. Finally, we want to say thank you to all of you. It's a wonderful community. We are really proud to be part of it. Just keep evolving.